Hello and welcome back. So I don't have enough 12 volt batteries to connect in series anymore to get up to 192 volts, so we are on everybody's favorite, the capacitor of doom, and my Variac. The capacitor of doom, if you recall from previous videos, is a 2200 microfarad capacitor, 400 volts with a 400 volt bridge rectifier on it, and there's a little fuse there that's rated at 10 amps. And we're of course on the Variac. I currently have it set to 120 volts. So see 110, 120, 130. And we only had one casualty. This is a problem when running off of the bridge rectified AC, is it killed my my prolific USB to serial adapter. So this guy's now dead, and I can show you what happens or why that happens. You can see I've got my USB isolator installed, and that is necessary. I can show you I've got the meter here. We're on AC voltage, and what's half of 120 volts? Yep, 60. So if I can get on, I'm just going to get the probes on the two ground sides here, on each side. If I can do it one-handed, there you go. And you can see you get about 60 volts AC. And that is because even though we're bridge rectifying AC to DC, there's still about a 120 hertz ripple. And if you look, this capacitor bank and this capacitor bank are there to shunt any kind of EMI to ground. Well, they're across the positive and the negative terminals. You can see the capacitor bank goes over to this as ground, and same here to the negative side to ground as well. So that ends up forming essentially a AC frequency or a high frequency voltage divider through the capacitors, and we get from ground you'll have 60 volts to the negative and 60 volts to the positive AC, just because that 120 hertz ripple is enough to go through the EMI capacitor that they've added here. So I foolishly had this hooked up from the previous thing because we were running off DC before, and forgot to plug in the isolator. You should just always use one of these little USB isolators. They're cheap. Doesn't make any sense not to have one, but yeah. Anyways, back to this. So yeah, we're currently at 170 volts DC bridge rectified, so I'm going to turn this up to 190-ish. And what I'm going to do is cheat. I'm going to lean my box over because my full LED will turn on when I get there. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this up slowly. There you go. So now the LED came on that we're full, and you can see I've turned it up to what is that, 134 volts AC, which is apparently bridge rectifying to 192 volts. So that looks like it's good. If we attempted to run the drive, it would still run because it'll pull current. If I put it forward, you'll actually see it probably drop down. But I'll give her a little throttle here. Can you see the LED? Probably not. So now we got a load on it. You'll see it drops. And then it goes back to full. See? So anyways, it looks like that's working. So yeah, only had one casualty, but yeah, that happens. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.